I got it.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And today, looking forward to sharing with you about a very funky product by Mr. Frog. At least it appears to be funky looking when you first see it. And I thought the same thing too. And I've had an opportunity to use it, and I actually think this is pretty cool. And for your family and your kids might love it. But especially it is a great product to have on hand if you have any flies in your house or you have any issues with other insects. But it's also a lot of fun to use outside for catching butterflies and maybe bees and just want to have some fun looking at it. And what's nice about it, it won't do any harm to those things that you catch because it's got a nice wide area here. This, by the way, is ABS plastic, and this is a stainless steel netting. I'll put a link to this product where you could check it out. And if you're interested in ordering it, I definitely think it's cool. If you find this video have helped you, give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Also, subscribe to my channel. Love new subscribers. And of course, the bell icon so you could be notified of new products that I come out with, like this one. That's very different, but very cool. So nice big area that you can work with. And you could see how just pushing together closes it. And then you can even just hold it like that. And then or even like this. So if you get, whatever it is, a butterfly, and you want to take a close look at it, you can, or you just, keep it closed like that. Very, very cool. And just a simple product is great. Also, this is a replacement for those zappers and other types of electric swatters. So probably safer, but definitely a fun, cool product. So here's a couple of videos that I caught with. One was a butterfly and one was, I think, maybe a hornet type. But take a look and I'll be back with my final thoughts. All right, let's see if we can catch this butterfly. Almost. Hey, look, I caught a butterfly. Look at that, it worked. Caught a butterfly. All right, we're gonna let the butterfly out. Very cool. So it worked. Now I'm gonna pull out and let the butterfly go.
I got it. There you go. Got it. Wouldn't be able to catch you without it. And you can see it's in there. Take a look at it.
So yes, so you could see probably with the butterfly, I didn't close it quick enough initially, but I did still catch it. And the other one, at first I thought it was a bee, and then realized it was probably a some kind of a hornet or a wasp or something like that. But anyway, it works, and it is definitely very cool with the experience for using a product like this and catching those, also for those pesky flies that you might get in your house. And this will do the trick. It really, what's nice is quick, it closes, and you can catch them. So let me know what you think. If you're using it, what do you think? If you're gonna get it, leave any comments, and just what do you think just in general? All right, everybody, have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.